This week is packed with game-changing AI tools you don't want to miss. From free alternative to Veo 3 and Sora 2 to mind-blowing transparent video generators and even Nvidia's real-time text to video generation model and a new really free and open source image generation model. Let's break down the most exciting launches. If you are looking for a high-speed real-time text-to-speech generation model, then you can try Kani TTS. The best part is that it can create 15 seconds of audio in just a single second. And this was tested in Nvidia RTX 5080. And it only requires only 2 GB of VRAM, so that's really a good thing. Talking about model specification, the model size is only around 370 million parameters, so this is really a small model, and it supports like English, German, Chinese, and a few other languages. And it comes under Apache 2 license, so you can use this for commercial purpose also. For now, it supports these many voices. You can try any of these. However, voice cloning feature is yet to come, and Japanese and Turkish language will also be added in future. Talking about the streaming architecture, it will create 2 seconds of new audio per iteration, and it will have 1.2 second of previous audio context. If you want to try this, you can come to this Hugging Face space and just select the voice from here and give a text. And here is how it sounds like. Hello everyone, how are you all? This time it took around 9 seconds to generate this audio clip, but previously when I was trying, it generated the audio in just 2 seconds. So, like, for better understanding, you can just try this on your actual system in which you will be running it. And here are a few other samples. This is Chinese, 我投資商人年紀大， and here is a Korean. ومنها أيضا الدعم. And this is also English. Anyway, and if you want to run this locally, come to their official GitHub site and they have shown the step-by-step approach to run this locally. If you want to try your own device TTS, then you can try new TTS Air. The best part is that it can run on CPU in real time with instant voice cloning. Talking about this model, it is built upon Qwen 0.5 billion model and it is a really lightweight model. And here are a few of guidelines that you have to follow for better results. Try to have like the audio generation for 3 to 6 15 seconds in length and save the audio in WAV file. And the next thing is give a reference audio in WAV file also. That would give you a better results. And this model have context window of 2048 tokens, which is around 30 seconds of audio. And it is optimized for mobile devices and embedded devices, and it is supposed to run on mid-range devices. But the downside is that it only supports English as of now. And here is a comparison of 11 Labs and Neo TTS here. My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, Commander of the Armies of the North. My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, Commander of the Armies of the North, General of the Felix Legions, and loyal servant to the true Emperor, Marcus Aurelius. Father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife. And I will have my vengeance in this life or the next. I like the new TTS here sound. I might have different perspective, but yeah, I like new TTS here. And if you want to try this, you can come to Hugging Face space of new TTS here and upload your reference audio here. And this will be a reference text, what is being spoken here. So it's like just transcript of this without any timestamp. And here is what you want the model to speak. And once you submit, here is how it sounds like. My name is Dave, and I'm from. One thing is like the generation speed is almost similar to both these TTS, maybe in Hugging Face space. But if you want better result, you can try on your test device to know it better. If you want to run this locally, come to the official GitHub page of this new TTS here, and there they have shown the step-by-step approach to run this locally. If you want to generate a video with transparent background, then you can try Wan-alpha. Wizard has recently released a new model that can generate a video with transparent background from given text. Talking about a sample, like here you can see like the transparency of bubbles, and it's really working well. Not only bubbles, like you can see here, it can generate like semi-transparent objects and glowing effects as well as like fine-grained details like here's. So here we can see some of the samples. As you can see, like the liquid here is like transparency also, and the birds, and even the candle with glowing effect at the bottle here. Even you can see like the hair is, it is really difficult for like transparency in here, but it is also working fine. Even like this translucent some kind of flower or something like that is also like having like better transparency. So you can try this. Actually, this is built upon like Wan 2.1 or these few others, so you can try this. If you want to run this locally, you can use it in Comfy One. Here you can see like how to use it, and like you have to download these models, and you will be able to run it in Comfy One. Tencent has recently released a really awesome image generation model, which is Hunyuan 3.0. As you can see, like even the name banner, it includes so many materials in the text, and it is really working perfectly fine and awesome. Not only this, but this model is really awesome with text, as you can see in the example here. And the best part is that it has really awesome context awareness, so you can even ask to have a object with different materials or like a step to draw art stuff. It really generates the image as well. And here are a few samples, like they are really awesome. Like you can see here, you can see here the benchmark. This is really like comparative with some of the best closed models out there. Yeah, it really performs better in Chinese, but it's really awesome. And here are a few other benchmark parameters. If you want to try this model, you can come to this site. You have to just register here. And once you register on this site, you can just give a prompt and you can generate image for free as of now. And here are a few of the samples that I had generated earlier. But the only downside is that despite it being free and open source, we can't run it locally because it requires 170 GB of disk space and at least 3 GPU with 80 GB of VRAM, making a total of 240 GB of VRAM. But we have to wait until we get some quantized model. If you want to try a free alternative to Sora 2 or VO3, then you can try OB by Character AI. This is really a powerful video generation model that can generate high quality videos with audio. And here are a few of the samples. Enjoy this moment, no matter where it's taking doing. And I need you to hope beats circuits every time. Humanity endures beyond your code. And even this works well with multiple people dialogues. You always give me extra foam. That's how I bribe loyal customers. And the best part is that it can generate video either from text or images. A young boy and girl in the car. Kill them. Is there? I'll tell you what else there is. There's blue crab. I need a hard surface to work on, so I'm going to go to. Oh, you don't know. I don't understand. And the best part is that it can also generate sound effects based on the context. Or it can also generate people singing songs. Y con las seis de Dubigue, Sigmar, Juan Rosa y Margarita. And also the instrument sounds. You can watch this video of mine where I have told you how you can run OV in Configure in your local system. Or you can go to this site and generate video with 15 cents. And you have to know one thing about the prompt for this video generation model. You have to put the text that you want to speak inside S and D and the audio sound inside this. And the best part is that you can just give ChatGPT to modify or create prompt for you by following these steps. And if you want to generate realistic 4D animatable avatars from reference image, you can try Cap 4D. Here you can see the few examples like this will help you generate animatable avatars of any images that you provide. And if you want to read more about this, you can come to this site by link in the description below. Nvidia have recently released a real-time text to video generation model. However, the quality is not that great, but we can appreciate that it is generating video in real time. And here are a few of other samples or demos that we can have a look. But we can't try this online by ourselves. And it was tested on Nvidia GPU of at least 40 GB of VRAM, that was A100 and H100, and with 64 GB of RAM. And it can generate video up to 240 seconds, which is around 4 minutes. These are just a few of latest AI tools taking things up right now. I'll be making another video soon where I'll break down the best models in each category. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. From now on, I will also be covering the latest AI tools as they launch. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, stick around. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite tool, and share this video with anyone who is into AI. It really helps the channel to grow.